Good evening, everybody. Wow, it's Monday night. I just got in from a 4-night, 5-day hiatus in Lake Mary, and as you probably can see, I'm exhausted, but I'm here to remind you it's a nighttime routine. So no matter how tired you are, ladies, don't go to bed with your makeup on. Again, it takes all of 2 minutes. I'm going to use my oil-free makeup remover, give it a little shakety shake, remove my eye makeup, and then cleanse with my TimeWise Repair cleanser, following it up with my Vitamin Clinical Solutions C and Resveratrol line reducer, and then of course the Triangle of Youth Volume Firm Advanced Lifting Serum, and don't show us tired, and then my night cream with retinol. But again, just let you know, I'm looking at the time, it's like 10 to 9. I've been up since 7 something, I don't know, and drove from downtown. Anyway, it's a long day, and I have to reshake. And just reminding us that, skincare is necessary. And one of the worst things you can do besides not wearing sunscreen is go to sleep with your makeup on, or go to sleep without washing your face. Because when you're outside, the elements, the pollution, the free radicals, they get on your skin. So you need to, find some regimen that works for you. Whether it's the Repair line or the Mary Kay basic line, or the TimeWise line, or the Mary Kay, the MK men's line, some line, but just make sure you're using high quality products that are proven to work and that have a money back guarantee like the Mary Kay line does. So again, I just wanted to be on here to remind you all to do your nighttime routine. I know I'm supposed to hold it here and not rub back and forth, but I'm so used to doing this. I got to learn to be more gentle. Even my husband will tell you I'm a little rough. And just take care of your skin, take care of your face, because you never get a second chance at a first impression. And again, just wanted to be here tonight to show you that no matter how tired you are, and I'm doing this as more of a tutorial for you guys, that it takes about 3 minutes, and I'm just want to be here and give you that reminder. So if you're watching TV or just scrolling on your phone and you see me, this is your signal. Get up, wash that face. Like I said, even if you don't have anything on, wash your face, moisturize, and then you could feel much better about going to bed, knowing that your face has all the impurities removed. And as always, if you have any questions, please send me a message. Call me. Yes, I actually use the phone. Text me. Send me a message on my website, marykay.com/Doreen Levy. I will answer you. There's nothing that, there's no silly question. All questions are good questions, especially if I give you an answer that helps you. So, all right, I'm going to do my cleansing now. So hopefully this was a good reminder for you guys to do your nighttime routine, because sometimes this is the one we forget. And I will see you soon. Okay, have a great night.